Do you want to know how to customize Windows 10 to look much better with custom themes? Well, today I will show you. And of course, before you install any custom theme on Windows 10, you need to know how to patch Windows 10 or how to patch Windows 11 for custom themes. You can watch my tutorial. This is the most updated and latest tutorial on how to patch Windows 10 for custom themes, and it's also supporting Windows 11. So if you did not patch your Windows, you can't install any custom themes. So first you need to patch Windows 10 to enable custom themes, and then you can start customization of Windows. Before we start this Windows 10 customization, you need to know that this customization is for Windows 10 builds 1903 all the way up to the 21H1. It may work on older versions as well, so keep that in mind and let's start. Let's start from the scratch. Like you see, everything is default on my Windows 10 except these icons on the taskbar, but later I will show you how to change these icons and how to center the icons on the taskbar. So first step is to download everything what you need to customize Windows 10. Here we have wallpaper, we have this icon pack. This icon pack is for the icons on the taskbar. We have custom theme and the custom icon pack for the system, and here the last one we have 7TSP application for applying custom icon pack on the system. So here, this is not actually wallpaper, this is custom theme for Windows 8, but we need to download this because inside of the files is the custom wallpaper that I'm gonna apply. Here's the download button, and of course you can't download if you don't have account on DeviantArt. So please make account, it's free, and when you make account, download it from it. Here, download button is same for each file. So when you download each file, put it on the desktop. Like me, I have wallpaper, custom theme, custom icon pack, and on the right side I have the 7TSP app and the custom icons for the taskbar. Before you start customization Windows 10, please make sure you have restore point. So in the start menu type restore, then choose create a restore point. Here select local disk C, click create, give it a name, and then click create one more time. It's done, and now click close, click OK, and we are ready to customize Windows. The first step, I'm gonna extract the files from this WinRAR archive Cosmo theme for Windows 8, and what I'm looking here, I'm looking for the background. So here is the background. Place one of these dimensions of the wallpaper on the desktop like me, and here I'm gonna delete this because I don't need it. I'm looking only for the background and I have it. Now let's extract these files. Here we have custom icon pack and the custom theme that we're gonna apply later. The first step is to install custom icon pack. Inside of this folder we have folder icons. Open the folder. Now we have two icon packs. The one is eye candy and the second one is 7TSP mechanical. I'm gonna choose mechanical, rename, and remove this. Hit the enter, click yes. Here you should get 7TSP mechanical in WinRAR archive. We're not gonna extract this. I'm gonna use 7TSP application to install that custom icon pack. So right click, I'm gonna run this as an administrator, and here go to add a custom pack and then choose this pack that I just renamed. Click open. Now it says pack already exists. The existing pack will be overwritten. Click yes, of course. And now you should see this selected icon pack mechanical. Now go to the extra. Here go to options, uncheck this box which says create new restore point, and click save here. And now one more info before you install any custom icon pack. When you install a new custom icon pack, make sure you have the default icons on the Windows. So that is really important to do. If you have a custom icon pack already and you want to install a new custom icon pack, you will not be able to restore default icons. So make sure, like me, I have default Windows 10 icons. And now here I'm gonna click start patching. Click yes here, of course, and the patching is started, so I will be back when it's done. Okay, now what you need to do when the patching is done, you need to restart your computer. Do not click no here. I'm gonna click yes and I will stop recording. So I am back after restarting my PC. After restarting, I am back and you should get this message: the system has been patched. Click OK here. And now if you somehow didn't get this folder, go to the control panel. Here in the view by set the large icons, go to File Explorer option. Here go to the View tab and check this box. Always show icons, never thumbnails. If I uncheck this, you can see that I have this pinky color of the folders. Now if you want to get full experience with this custom icon pack, you should click here, always show icons, never thumbnails. Click OK. You get a new icon pack. Now let's get on the theme. To apply the theme, go again to this same folder, Joyful Desktop Windows 10 theme. Go to the themes. Now we have different options of the taskbar. We have floating taskbar, normal taskbar. I'm gonna choose floating, copy all of it, local disk C, Windows, then go to resources, go to the themes and paste it here. Because I already have these files, I'm gonna click skip these files and then go to the personalize, go to the themes. And if you're wondering why I already paste the theme into the themes folder, that is because I need to test the theme and I need to test the custom icon pack, and everything what I show in the video must be tested on my version of the Windows, of course, so I can publish this video. Now scroll down and then I'm gonna choose this custom theme, mechanical. We have mechanical with no address bar, but I don't like that. Okay, we are almost done. Now let's go to the StartisBack properties, go to appearance, and then I'm going to select this taskbar and the custom start menu from this theme. Click apply. Okay, that's nice. Now for the start button, I have already selected the start button, but if you don't get the start button like me, go to this green little plus and then go to Joyful Desktop. We have start orbs. Here we go. Here's the start button. I'm gonna just open this to show you. We have this start button, we have this one, and we have this one. I'm gonna select this one because it's gonna fit to this theme perfectly. So click open and there we go. Just select it, click OK. Now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna apply this wallpaper background. Okay, now the last step is to customize these icons on the taskbar. And how to do that? First I'm gonna delete this and I will move this wallpaper into the pictures, so I'm gonna keep my desktop clean and nice. Now the last step is to change the icons located on the taskbar, and to do that, extract the Sweet Paranoia from the WinRAR. This is the icon pack. Inside of this icon pack you will find 7TSP icon pack, candy icons, dock icons. We have iPack installation, but we are looking for Windows icons. And to find them, go to candy icons. Here we have PNG, so I will show you some of them. So these are only PNG files. Go back, here is the Windows icons. Now this is the folder with apps, so all of these icons are apps and all of these icons are programs. I will show you one example how to change the icon. So first go back to this folder and copy candy icons somewhere that it's not gonna be visible, because we're gonna use icons located from this location, so you will need this folder somewhere. So my location is local disk D, icons, Sweet Paranoia. Like you see, I have whole pack here, so I will delete this, I don't need it. And for example, I'm gonna type Discord. Here's the Discord. Right click, properties, change the icon, browse. Now go to your location to find the icons. So here is the Sweet Paranoia, candy icons and Windows icons. And now I will go to the apps and I will scroll down for the Discord. So here's the Discord icon. I will open this, click OK one more time. Now if I type Discord, you should see that the icon is changed. Now how to set this icon to the taskbar? Like you see, my taskbar is locked, but don't worry. Right click on the taskbar and go to the toolbars and check these links. Okay, now click on links and make sure that this is checked, show text and show title. Now move this to the left. Okay, now you can center these icons. One more time, one more time, I will type Discord. Here we go. Like you see, if you can't place it here, you can place it here to move it to favorite bar. I will do that, and then from here just place it here, and you can delete this. Now center the icons and then go to the right click and uncheck show text and show title. Uncheck these, and now you can lock the taskbar, and here we go. But I'm not gonna lock the taskbar, I'm gonna leave it with these links because I want to move it from the time to time. I'm not gonna lock the taskbar like this. So that's it. It's the same step for the each icon. Like you see, I have the aim player also, but I'm not gonna place it here on the taskbar. So that's it. That's how you can change the icons and center the icons to the taskbar. And with this step we are done with this customization. I will delete this. Okay, now here's the complete theme. Now I will open the system transparency, setup info, and set the level of transparency here. I will set the level of transparency to 135. So I will set the transparency to affect all Explorer windows. Click OK, and there we go. I have the glass effect on my Windows 10. Now one more thing to do is to do this. I will open the My Startup program and I will run this. This is a little app that will give this amazing shadow to the taskbar. It's working for the bottom taskbar and the top taskbar, so I will include all of these links in the description below. And that's it. Now I will do a quick preview of the theme, and that's it. Leave a comment here what you think about this customization, if you like it. If you not, leave a comment why. And that's it. See you next time. Bye.